Yes.
Zooming on my babies. It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell somebody, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all, I'm changing out my purses. So everything is out on the table, and then some stuff I just put up because I know I'm not going to be able to fit in this next bag I'm going to be transforming everything to. But yeah, this was the bag that I was using. I forgot the name of this. I believe this is in the Speedy 30. Y'all, this came with it, but you know, I had to put some charms on it. Very cute. And yeah, y'all, I'm changing it out. Yep. So, I recently was on Instagram, and y'all came across this page. Let me see, where's the card? I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but that's the card right there. And y'all, I seen this and I was like, oh my goodness, I was so thirsty. I was on a waiting list because they actually had a like a launch date or something. It was like first come first serve, but now they're doing like I think like a Elma. I'm not sure which size. It's like the small Elma and LV Elma, but it's with this print, and y'all, it's so cute. But I seen this Speedy little dupe situation, and I was like, oh yeah, gotta do it. So y'all, this is the bag. I don't know what size Speedy this would be considered. Not sure. It does come with a purse strap. That's how it looks on the inside. No zippers, but you do have two pocket situations on each side. Black interior, which is good, so if anything spills in here I can just easily clean it up. That's all. So let's get into it. What are we going to fit into this little Speedy? So I know this is not like a Speedy Nano or a Speedy I was going to say Speedy Memo or a Speedy Mini. Not sure, but y'all know I love Murakami prints. It definitely gives Y2K vibes. Yeah, so happy. And y'all, they also have like the third party, I think, is that what they call them? Third party little apps like Klarna, PayPal, one of those. I use PayPal because nowadays I don't like to put my card information strictly to, you know, whatever. I like to use a third party and go through that. So I use PayPal to get this. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna pack our purse. First is my wallet. I'm not gonna open it because I got cards on both sides and I don't want to flash no information. I got my cards in here and Luna's cards in here. So yeah, this is my wallet, and it's just cards in here on both sides, and then you can put money up in there. You know, a wallet is a wallet is a wallet. Y'all probably seen this at the beginning. It was like, no, I don't smoke cigs. That's not against anybody that does that. But baby, this was more of a nostalgic thing for me. So when I was younger, you know, I grew up in the 90s. So back in the 90s, a lot of like the older people around me smoked Newport 100s. And a lot of them had this bag, whether it was this color, a maroon color, a tan color, y'all. And I used to just be like, I knew that they kept their cigarettes and their lighter and their change in there, but I'm like, that is just so cute. So yeah, I got it, but no, I don't, you know. So we got alcohol wipes in here, we have hand lotion, we have our infamous nail glue, eye drops. Y'all know the Touch of Gold fragrance from Bath and Body Works has me in a chokehold. This right here, y'all know my ears is always itching, overproducing earwax and stuff, so I always keep this ear cleaner scratcher thing. Yes, and what else? And I got Bath and Body Works lip gloss. Okay, so we're gonna put that in here. Hold on, because I want my wallet to be standing to the side. So that's how we looking so far. We good. Let me see next. My Equal 4 lip gloss. Or I use it as lip gloss. Lip balm, whatever. It makes my lips shiny. That. Got another one. I ain't even opened this one yet because I got this on their sale. But I liked it because it has the actual little gem thing on the top. So this is the Champagne Toast by Bath & Body Works. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells good. It has like a pink shimmer kind of. That's cute. Put that in there so I can just get to that easily. Let's see. Y'all know me. Always gotta keep them wipes and them toilet seat covers. So, yeah. Let me see. I might not need both of them because one is almost empty. So, that. Let me see what else. Hand sanitizer. I thought this was so cute. This is in the Milk Bar Birthday Cake by Bath & Body Works, y'all. Got it during the sale. Ain't no shame in my game. What is this? I don't need that. This, y'all, cute. It's also, or whatever, Fruit Ninja. Got my Halls Minis. Got these from Dollar Tree. Love these. Yes. Uh-oh, I would have dropped them on the floor. Just crazy. What else? Y'all know, always gotta keep my power bank on me, along with the charging cable. I'm not gonna pack these because I can just put a couple of these in that little cigarette pouch. So I'll keep those to the side. What else? Scooby snacks. I could fit those in there, but I don't want to overdo it. But they're definitely gonna come with. The next thing, this is a little, I don't know, I got this from Dollar Tree. It's like a safety, security / flashlight situation. And let me see. Okay, wait. How you do it? Hold on, y'all. Oh, wait, hold on. Y'all see it? So it's not like an actual flashlight, but it's like a defense alarm. Y'all know I'm old school and new school. I got an MP3 player with some wired headphones. Yes, it do work. I think I got this off of either, I think I got this off of AliExpress or Temu, one of the two. And this is actually an MP3 player that has a Bluetooth. So, you know, I keep wired headphones, you know, just in case my Bluetooth ones go out. You know, battery is not charged. But, got those too. And that's it. And it's still light. Y'all know we're about to accessorize this thing. So I know it's not LV, but still, it's inspired. Let me see how you, okay. Wait, all these gets and gadgets. Well, I done broke the thing. Let's see. Oh, wait. Sure. I done broke the thing. So, what we're going to do... Oh, yeah, that thing's broke. Let's see. What am I looking for? Oh, here we go. We had some cuticle oil balm, but I can always use my Equal for my cuticles because I always do that. So I got this little keychain. I bought a bulk of these from Temu. And wait, where'd it go? Just to have, like, if I want to put charms on a keychain or whatever the case may be. Let me see. There we go. That solves that. Let me see what else. Y'all know I'm a fur mom. This is cute. A lot of these charms are either from Temu, AliExpress, or the DH. That's cute. I would say I don't want to overdo it, but y'all know me. I love, like, bag charms and junk nails and all that jazz. Hold on, y'all, because I forgot how to put this on. So I'm just going to put this on here to make it more easier. There we go. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to put this little boo-boo on here. I had this one last time, Murakami, but I don't want to overdo it. Y'all, here we go. There we go. And this is what's in my bag. And I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.